Hello there, welcome to Synconics. So in this video we will see about purchase agreements, that is blanket orders. So basically we can say that blanket order is a purchase order which a customer places with its supplier to allow multiple delivery dates over a period of time. So generally it is normally used when there is a recurring demand, or we can say that recurring need for expendable goods, right? So first of all we will go to settings, and we are showing you that we are using ODOO version 13 enterprise edition. Okay, now we will go to purchase, and here we will go to configurations and settings. So here we have to enable these options under this orders tab, that is purchase agreements. And as you can see that manage your purchase agreements, that is call for tenders and blanket orders. So as you can see that this option is already enabled. So now we will go to configurations and purchase agreements types. So here from this blanket order you will be able to configure your agreement type, that is for blanket order. You can write different title, different name, different label over here. You can select agreement selection type. So there are options provided here. Data for new quotations. So for lines you will be able to select multiple options here, and for quantities you will be able to select different options provided over here. Okay, so now we will save this, and we will go with orders and purchase agreements, and we'll create one purchase agreement, that is blanket order. So as you can see that when I have selected this blanket order, so I have to select a vendor. Okay, so I will select one vendor, that is Azure Interior. So as you can see that Azure Interior related blanket order is previously created, so I am creating blanket order for ND vendor, right? Select agreement deadline, that will be 7th of March. My ordering date will be 28th of February, and the delivery date will be also 28th of February. So here we will be able to write the source document name, and different operation types we can define over here. And yes, of course, for multi-company scenarios we can select different companies. Those are already configured by ODOO 13 over here. All right, so we will add one product here, that is let's take this one, and we will define it for 1000 quantities, and my unit price will be $30. All right, and here I will be able to write different terms and conditions. Say for an example, like blanket order for Andy, or whatever vendors related different kinds of terms and conditions you want to define over here according to that agreements. So you can also define those terms and conditions over here. Okay, so I will save this, confirm this blanket order, and as you can see that right now no any kind of request for quotations are defined over here. So I will create a new quotation for related vendor Andy, and here I will define quantity like let's say 20. Okay, but before that I want to just cross check these quantities. So yes, 1000 quantities are defined over here, and here I will change it to just say like 500 quantities. Okay, and we'll select different taxes over here like this. So I will confirm order. So by going to this blanket order, you will be able to see that now my ordered quantities are 500. So basically a system will give you the map that yes, total blanket order quantities will be are 1000, and now ordered quantities are 500. Now I will also create a new quotation for the same vendor and define quantity like 500 again, with taxes of 15%, and again confirm order. So if you want to go ahead with receive products and generate shipments, so you can also do that. All right, so now I will go again with this blanket order, and as you can see that my total quantity is defined 1000, and my ordered quantities are also 1000. So this is the scenario about how we can manage blanket order according to different vendors. All right, thank you for watching.